Hey man, plugging the inverter into the bus so that our systems can stay running, the heaters and the filters and everything can run.
See that green streak right there? That green streak is what classifies it technically as a Chicago sunburst.
First of all, we didn't come up with this name. People started calling our anemones Chicago sunburst. So we ran with it. We're from Chicago, we have a service company. We also have a fish store.
Either they respect the name or they don't.
Respect the name.
Yeah, respect the name. If it says CC, cherry corals in front of it, then it's a CC, it's a cherry coral. We found it first.
Put this stuff together. And so I am quoting Mark Callahan on this. He said, when the harbor rises, we all rise together. So that's what we're trying to do by harassing this poor man in the middle of his day. Come talk to us so we can get more eyes and ears on this hobby. Listen to people that have good advice. If it wasn't for Todd, we'd be in the wrong direction on a lot of things, including where we were going, which is Lansing, with an S, not a C. Lansing with a C, I don't know where that is, but we would have been on the wrong track. Ladder up against the wrong building, going there real fast.